Critical materials are the essential matter that is necessary for making critical goods. Critical goods are the airplanes that get us to New York tomorrow. They are the trucks that get us to work today. They are the mitigation matters that allow us to breathe clean air. All of these devices, assemblies, or packages that we make from these materials allow us to live the quality of life that we have today.
We upgraded our research across the campus, and when we did that, that led to the Carnegie R1 research designation. This is the largest grant for UMKC, but it is also the largest grant for the University of Missouri system, and possibly the largest research grant ever for the state of Missouri. For students coming in, they will see a university that's elevating not just itself, but the community around it. And there will be so many opportunities for studies, for jobs, as well as for research.
What that grant is going to do is really take a look at how we can build better batteries for our world. And it allows us to dig deeper into the research that supports how we'll electrify our devices as we move forward, our cars, our phones, so many different things that can come out of this research. It's an important designation because so few people received this kind of engines support from the National Science Foundation.
Historically, there was material coming in from Denver, from Mexico, from Canada to Kansas City, not anywhere else in the nation, but to Kansas City, to be processed and refined into high purity metals, which could then be made into other materials. The Critical Materials Crossroads is composed of 5 major stakeholder groups. That is education and innovation, entrepreneurship, governments, and nonprofits. So it was all those pieces together that started to gel that allowed our team to start to thrive in this area and really show why Kansas City in particular and the Kansas-Missouri region is special within the United States to be able to develop the ecosystem to onshore production capacity.
This grant is going to bring the whole field of critical materials to Kansas City and onshore that whole industry here, the first place in the nation where that will take place. And this will lead to approximately $17 billion over the next 10 years and 10,000 new jobs. Dr. Caruso is perhaps one of the most brilliant minds that I have seen. He's a big thinker. He thinks of ideas that nobody else is thinking about.
The mission of the Critical Materials Crossroads is to onshore production capacity by building the innovation, commercialization, and workforce ecosystem. We do this work in order to ensure autonomy and independence through economic and national security.